The retail sector has felt the disruptive impact of the internet more than most industries. Some have reacted to online competition by closing physical stores, but others are attempting to reinvent them for the digital age. Traditional retail lacks tools for effective data collection and visualization, making it unable to provide a basis for business decision-making to the store. Dahua Smart Retail Solutions help retailers digitally transform and respond to increased industry competition through the use of innovative retail technology. Let's take a look at the advanced retail technology that helps retailers gain a competitive advantage. Footfall is the top concern in the retail industry. Compared to e-commerce, traditional offline retail stores lack the capabilities to accurately calculate customer flow. 3D cameras are able to distinguish people from objects and backgrounds. Workforce management is integrated with customer flow data to allow for optimum employee scheduling. The facial attributes camera is used to analyze customer demographics. It assists in understanding customer base composition and visualizes flow analysis for different customer segments. Promote products to your customers by displaying ads on televisions according to their characteristics, such as age, gender, and mood, to intelligently draw their attention and increase the efficiency of your marketing campaigns. It is important to understand which areas in your store are visited most to better design the store layout. Regional people counting helps you visualize traffic in different commodity areas. The heat map fusion function assists in understanding customer traffic distribution throughout the whole store. Facial access control devices are more convenient, allowing logistics personnel to easily move goods and keep their hands free. Rather than through manual measurement, IoT cameras automatically overlay temperature and humidity info onto video and can output data reports. In the retail industry, waiting time is one of the most important factors that affect customer experience. Queuing management can help retailers manage checkout lines. When too many customers enter a queue, it can notify management to open a new checkout line. POS integration supports POS video overlay and POS search, reducing the occurrence of internal theft. We also can customize POS data and customer profile data on the DSS BI platform, assisting retailers in finding the relationships between who bought what, who likes to spend money, and who responds to ads. The DSS Pro platform collects data acquired by sensors to provide visualized analysis. This helps retailers bring their stores into the digital world, allowing data to support management and operations, and enabling them to spend less time on doing more important things. At the same time, it also supports chain store management. Retailers can display real-time operations data and video monitoring from each of their stores on a video wall, strengthening headquarters store management efficiency.